Welcome everybody. We are back with another random video back on the 2014 Raptor. We are going to look at the those three LEDs in the front, what Raptors are pretty much known for, other than its ruggedness and all sorts of supremacy over other trucks. However, mine, as you can see, it's factory. It's kind of yellowish already, so I went to Amazon, purchased another set, not OEM, and these are in a smoke type of color. Compared to those, so I'm kind of outside. It's gonna blend in, but we'll see how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and give you the before. Let me go get my keys. I'm gonna give you the before, see how bright or dim they look, and then we'll replace it. Alright, so the truck is on. Hopefully you could hear it. Well, I mean, I don't want you to hear it anyway. So this is how it looks. We'll see how, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. We'll replace them. Like I said, the other one's gonna be a smoke color. They're apparently just plug and play. We'll take a look at that, see how easy the process is, and see how they look afterwards. Alright, so we're on the other side of the hood. I didn't lift it up all the way because it's super freaking big. I won't be able to reach it, but you're able to see the three LEDs here. Seems pretty simple. You depress this in the back, pull it out. So this is the only thing we're gonna have to be dealing with. 8mm socket. All right, that is both of them. And let's see. Looks like they just come right off. Like I said, these screws they're not really threads. They just made some cuts in there. That way they could put the nut, kind of fasten it. Let's go ahead and take out this first one. That is done. And this should just slide off. There we go. And that is number one. That goes in pretty nice. We'll go ahead and start to secure this. I gotta say, this is the easiest modification you could do. It's got the back part to slide in, click, turn it around, and connect. All right, let's just see how this first one looks. As you can see, this is it right here. It really blends in. We'll see how it looks. Oh, okay. So it's a line. It's a line right through the center, whereas this one has like 4 individual LEDs. Actually, I didn't even notice till now. This one is burnt out. This one has 3. It doesn't look any brighter. I actually think that my old ones look better. Let me know what you think. Oh, that one I have upside down. DOT. I have that one upside down. That's my bad. Maybe it'll look better at night. I'll see if I get a shot at night, but looks like my oil doesn't work better. We'll see how it goes. Alright, we'll go ahead and finish the other two. Let's go ahead with number 3. Make sure it's not upside down. Number 3. Let's go ahead and turn on the vehicle. See how it looks. Alright, so here's how it looks. I'm honestly not impressed. I'm not impressed at all. From my eyes, this one looks brighter than the other two. I don't like them. I'm not sure if I return them, get something else. I'm gonna really look them up and see what's the power, what they're supposed to be putting out. But anyway, this is pretty easy. If you want to do a little modification, it's supposed to be modern, but if you want to change that out, there's a quick way to do it. Make it look cooler, I guess, but depending on what you get, I'm not too fond of these. Let me know what you think. Hit me up in the comments. Should I remove them or not? But alright, well, you guys enjoy, stay tuned, and come back when we have another random video.